What's up, everybody? So today we're going to test out the Modelo Sandia. So the watermelon flavor. I've been looking forever to find this one. Finally found it. So I was like, you know what? Let's test it out. So first, you see my cup here. I put some Tajin with some Chamoy. Now we're going to pour it up. Let's do it, guys. Yeah, I'm sure this is going to taste bomb. Um, as you can see, I have the diamond ice cubes in here. All right, that color looks nice too. Just give it a little mix with my skull spoon. Shout out to Revolver for the cup. Cheers. Man, that tastes like summer right there. I'm not gonna lie to you. It's hard to find, but definitely worth it once you get it. I'm gonna give this a 10 out of 10. Cheers, guys.